Welcome to Rustbuster's installation guide for Ford's 2004 to 2008 F-150. Before we begin, if you're uncomfortable with any of the processes listed in this guide, we strongly suggest you seek the work of a professional. Ensure you have all the tools and utilities listed and that you're following all the manufacturer's safety precautions during use. Step 1. Disconnect your vehicle's battery and inspect for potential fire hazards such as leaking fuel lines and engine components. Prepare or remove these before starting. Finally, clear the work area of any safety hazards. Step 2. Remove or lift your bed out of the way. Unbolt your leaf spring. Begin by cutting around the inside of your factory spare tire crossmember. Then, relieve the welds between your spare tire plate and the factory rear spare tire crossmember. Due to the crossmember going completely through the frame rail, you will need to cut off and remove the 2 leaf spring mounts on both sides of your frame. You can reuse these mounts later on or replace them with new ones. Step 3. After removing the 2 leaf spring hangers, cut around the outer portion of your crossmember on the outside of your frame rail, followed by removing the crossmember. Next, remove any extra material from either side of your frame rail where the replacement crossmember will slide into place. You do not need to do this on both sides of your vehicle. One side will provide enough clearance to fit the crossmember. Then, grind the frame free of rust and debris, revealing bare metal. Spray the work area with a weld-through primer to help prevent against rust development. Step 4. Take 2 of the included support plates and slide them onto your replacement rear spare tire crossmember. Push them towards the center so your crossmember is able to slide into place. On the side that has the wider cut, you won't be able to slide on the frame plate before installing the crossmember. Instead, you'll need to cut the plate in half and weld it in place when welding on the crossmember later. Slide your crossmember into place, one side at a time. Once you have your crossmember in place, you can push your inner plates to where they'll sit against the inner side of your frame rail. Then, slide the remaining plates onto the outer side of your frame rail over your crossmember. Following proper welding procedures, tack weld your crossmember and its plates into place before welding them on fully. Step 5. After welding on your crossmember, take your leaf spring mounts and hold them up to where they were originally located. Once you have them in place, tack weld them onto the frame before welding them on fully. Then, weld your spare tire plate onto your crossmember. Finally, paint the part with primer or other rust inhibitor to help prevent or reduce the risk of rust formation. We recommend our Rustbuster Rust Converter and Primer Spray Paint. Reinstall your leaf springs bolt. Then you're done!